Personal transportation is evolving rapidly, and in this video, we showcase 20 innovative mobility scooters that are transforming the way people move. Far beyond conventional designs, these modern scooters feature smart technology, enhanced performance, and user-friendly engineering. From lightweight foldable models perfect for travel to rugged all-terrain options and futuristic next-generation designs, each scooter highlights the latest advancements in mobility. Built with comfort, convenience, and accessibility in mind, these vehicles are helping users enjoy greater freedom and independence in their daily lives. Number 20. The Pride Mobility Revo 2.0 is a premium mobility scooter renowned for its durability, comfort, and versatile performance in both indoor and outdoor environments. Built with a robust frame and advanced suspension technology, the scooter delivers a smooth and stable ride while maintaining excellent maneuverability. Its ergonomic seating system provides superior comfort and support, making longer journeys more enjoyable and less fatiguing. The powerful drive system ensures reliable acceleration and dependable performance across a variety of surfaces, while the durable construction is engineered to withstand everyday use. Convenient storage features, intuitive controls, and practical design elements enhance usability and overall user satisfaction. Long-lasting battery performance supports extended travel and greater independence throughout the day. Combining rugged reliability, rider comfort, and advanced mobility features, the Pride Mobility Revo 2.0 remains one of the most respected and versatile mobility scooters available for everyday transportation. Number 19. The VOCIC D62 ACEturn is an advanced mobility scooter engineered to provide exceptional maneuverability, comfort, and convenience through modern design and intelligent engineering. Featuring a responsive steering system and compact turning radius, the scooter excels in navigating confined spaces while remaining stable and comfortable during outdoor travel. Its supportive seating arrangement promotes comfort during extended journeys, while the durable frame ensures long-lasting reliability and structural integrity. Efficient battery performance allows dependable daily operation and practical travel range. The scooter incorporates user-friendly controls that simplify operation and enhance accessibility for a wide range of users. Advanced suspension components improve ride quality by reducing vibrations and increasing comfort over uneven surfaces. Combining innovation, reliability, and ease of use, the VOCIC D62 ACEturn delivers a modern mobility experience designed around user comfort and independence. Number 18. The Sterling S50 Carbon is a lightweight mobility scooter designed to combine portability, modern engineering, and everyday convenience. Utilizing advanced lightweight materials, the scooter is easier to transport and maneuver while maintaining the durability required for regular use. Its ergonomic seating arrangement and intuitive controls create a comfortable and user-friendly riding experience suitable for daily activities and personal travel. Efficient battery technology provides reliable performance and practical range, helping users maintain independence throughout the day. The scooter's compact dimensions make it ideal for navigating indoor environments, public spaces, and urban settings without sacrificing comfort. Thoughtful design elements enhance usability while supporting a stylish and contemporary appearance. Combining lightweight construction, dependable performance, and modern design, the Sterling S50 Carbon offers a highly practical mobility solution. Number 17. The GIO Tron Pro is a compact and stylish mobility scooter developed to provide comfortable transportation and excellent maneuverability for everyday activities. Designed with user convenience in mind, the scooter features intuitive controls, responsive steering, and a practical layout that makes operation straightforward and enjoyable. Its comfortable seating system helps reduce fatigue during longer journeys, while the compact dimensions allow easy navigation through shopping centers, pathways, and indoor environments. Durable construction and reliable battery performance contribute to dependable daily use and long-term reliability. The scooter's balanced design promotes stability while maintaining agility, making it suitable for a variety of travel situations. Combining portability, comfort, and practical performance, the GIO Tron Pro is an effective mobility solution for users seeking convenience and independence. Number 16. The Boomer Buggy X Pro is a versatile mobility scooter designed to provide a balance of comfort, performance, and practicality for daily transportation. Featuring a durable frame and reliable electric drive system, the scooter offers smooth acceleration and dependable operation for a wide range of mobility needs. The spacious seating area is designed to maximize comfort, while easy-to-use controls enhance confidence and accessibility for users. Advanced suspension components help improve ride quality by reducing the impact of uneven surfaces and road imperfections. Efficient battery technology supports consistent travel range and dependable everyday use. The scooter's practical design includes features that simplify personal transportation and improve convenience during errands, appointments, and recreational outings. Combining comfort, reliability, and user-focused engineering, the Boomer Buggy X Pro is a dependable choice for everyday mobility. Number 15. The Baja Wrangler 2 is a rugged all-terrain mobility scooter engineered for users who require exceptional outdoor capability and dependable performance. Equipped with large tires, powerful motors, and advanced suspension systems, the scooter is designed to handle uneven terrain, gravel paths, grassy areas, and other challenging environments with confidence. Its sturdy frame provides excellent durability while maintaining stability during travel. The comfortable captain-style seat supports long-distance riding and enhances overall user comfort. Responsive controls and reliable braking systems contribute to safe and predictable handling in a variety of conditions. High-capacity batteries support extended travel range, allowing users to explore further without concern. Combining off-road capability, rider comfort, and dependable engineering, the Baja Wrangler 2 is built for adventurous users who want greater freedom outdoors. Number 14. The Sterling S800 is a premium mobility scooter designed to combine comfort, advanced technology, and modern styling into a highly capable personal transportation solution. Built with an ergonomic riding position and intuitive steering controls, the scooter promotes a natural and relaxed driving experience. Advanced suspension systems improve ride quality by reducing vibrations and enhancing stability on a variety of surfaces. The spacious seating arrangement offers excellent support during extended use, while durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Intelligent design features improve accessibility and convenience, making daily travel easier and more enjoyable. Powerful battery technology provides dependable performance and sufficient range for regular outings. Combining innovation, comfort, and premium engineering, the Sterling S800 offers a sophisticated mobility solution for users seeking greater independence and mobility. Number 13. The GIO Tron Pro is a high-performance mobility scooter developed to provide powerful transportation capabilities while maintaining comfort and reliability for everyday use. Featuring a robust motor system and durable chassis, the scooter delivers smooth acceleration and dependable operation across a variety of terrain conditions. Its supportive seating arrangement enhances rider comfort during longer journeys, while responsive controls improve maneuverability and overall usability. Large wheels and advanced suspension technology help absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, creating a smoother and more enjoyable riding experience. Practical storage options and thoughtful design details increase convenience for shopping trips, personal errands, and recreational travel. Efficient battery performance ensures dependable range and reduces downtime between charging sessions. Combining durability, comfort, and practical functionality, the GIO Tron Pro is designed to support active and independent lifestyles. Number 12. The Will Model R is an innovative mobility scooter engineered to deliver exceptional maneuverability, comfort, and modern styling for users seeking a premium mobility experience. Designed with advanced steering technology, the scooter can navigate tight turns and confined spaces with remarkable ease, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. The ergonomic seating system provides excellent support and comfort during daily travel, while intuitive controls simplify operation and improve user confidence. Durable construction and carefully engineered suspension components contribute to a smooth and stable ride over a variety of surfaces. Its sleek design combines practicality with contemporary aesthetics, creating a mobility device that feels both functional and stylish. Advanced battery performance supports dependable travel range and consistent operation. Combining innovative engineering, comfort, and ease of use, the Will Model R offers a highly refined approach to personal mobility. Number 11. The iCAN X15 is a modern mobility scooter designed to provide users with a comfortable, dependable, and highly practical transportation solution for everyday life. Featuring a sturdy frame and advanced drive system, the scooter delivers smooth acceleration and stable handling across a variety of indoor and outdoor environments. Its ergonomic seating arrangement is designed to maximize comfort during extended journeys, while intuitive controls make operation simple and accessible for users of different experience levels. Efficient battery technology supports reliable travel distances, reducing the need for frequent charging and increasing daily convenience. The scooter's compact design improves maneuverability in tight spaces while maintaining excellent stability and rider confidence. Durable materials and quality engineering contribute to long-term reliability and performance. Combining comfort, efficiency, and user-friendly operation, the iCAN X15 is a practical mobility solution that promotes greater independence and freedom of movement. Number 10. The VOCIC L5 is a compact and versatile mobility scooter developed to provide reliable transportation and everyday convenience for users seeking enhanced independence. Its lightweight yet durable construction promotes easy handling while maintaining the strength required for regular use. The scooter features a comfortable seating system, intuitive controls, and responsive steering that simplify operation in a variety of environments. Efficient battery technology supports dependable travel range, while practical design features improve usability for daily errands and recreational activities. The compact dimensions allow easy navigation through tight spaces without sacrificing rider comfort. Combining portability, reliability, and user-friendly design, the VOCIC L5 offers a practical mobility solution for modern lifestyles. Number 9. The SCUZI C is a contemporary mobility scooter designed to provide an innovative and comfortable riding experience through advanced technology and modern styling. Its ergonomic seating position encourages a natural posture, while intuitive controls make operation simple and accessible. Advanced suspension and steering systems contribute to a smooth and stable ride across different surfaces. The scooter is engineered for excellent maneuverability, allowing users to navigate both urban and indoor environments with ease. Modern connectivity features and thoughtful design details enhance usability and convenience. Durable construction and efficient power management ensure dependable daily performance. Combining comfort, innovation, and practical functionality, the SCUZI C represents a modern approach to personal mobility. Number 8. The Shoprider Havana is a stylish and practical mobility scooter developed to provide comfortable transportation for everyday activities and personal travel. Its compact yet capable design allows efficient maneuvering through shopping centers, pedestrian areas, and indoor environments while remaining comfortable for outdoor use. The scooter features supportive seating, easy-to-use controls, and a smooth driving experience that promotes confidence and convenience. Durable construction and efficient battery technology contribute to dependable long-term performance. Storage solutions and thoughtful design features enhance practicality for daily errands and recreational outings. Combining comfort, portability, and reliability, the Shoprider Havana offers a balanced mobility solution suitable for a wide range of users. Number 7. The Monarch Store Mobility Scooter is a powerful personal transportation vehicle designed to provide comfort, stability, and dependable outdoor performance. Featuring a sturdy chassis and capable drive system, the scooter handles everyday travel requirements with confidence while offering a smooth and comfortable ride. Its supportive seating arrangement, adjustable controls, and ergonomic design contribute to enhanced user comfort during longer journeys. Large wheels and suspension technology improve stability and traction across a variety of surfaces, allowing users to navigate both urban environments and outdoor pathways. Reliable battery performance supports extended travel distances, while practical design elements improve convenience and accessibility. Combining durability, comfort, and dependable operation, the Monarch Store Mobility Scooter is designed to help users maintain independence and mobility. Number 6. The VOCIC Arc is a technologically advanced mobility scooter designed to blend modern aesthetics with practical performance and user comfort. Engineered with a focus on maneuverability and efficiency, the scooter provides smooth transportation for both indoor and outdoor environments. Its ergonomic seating system promotes comfort during extended use, while responsive controls enhance confidence and ease of operation. Advanced suspension components help reduce vibrations and improve ride quality over varying surfaces. Durable construction and intelligent battery management systems contribute to long-term reliability and consistent performance. The scooter's contemporary design and innovative features make it appealing to users seeking a mobility solution that combines functionality with style. By delivering comfort, reliability, and modern engineering, the VOCIC Arc supports greater independence and everyday convenience. Number 5. The Rubicon FX07 is a rugged all-terrain mobility scooter engineered to provide enhanced freedom and confidence for users who enjoy outdoor exploration. Built with a durable frame, powerful motor system, and advanced suspension technology, the scooter is capable of handling a variety of terrain conditions while maintaining excellent ride comfort. Large pneumatic tires improve traction and stability on gravel, grass, and uneven surfaces, allowing users to travel beyond traditional paved pathways. The spacious seating area provides support and comfort for extended journeys, while user-friendly controls simplify operation. Long-range battery performance enhances travel flexibility, making the scooter suitable for daily use and recreational outings. Combining off-road capability, comfort, and reliability, the Rubicon FX07 is designed for individuals seeking adventurous mobility solutions. Number 4. The GR596 Golden Eagle is a heavy-duty mobility scooter designed to deliver outstanding comfort, durability, and performance for users who require dependable transportation across various environments. Its robust frame construction provides excellent stability and support, while the powerful drive system ensures smooth acceleration and reliable operation. The scooter features a comfortable seating arrangement with adjustable elements that enhance user comfort during longer rides. Large wheels and advanced suspension systems improve handling and ride quality on uneven surfaces, making the scooter suitable for both urban and outdoor settings. Practical storage options and intuitive controls further enhance usability and convenience. Combining strength, comfort, and dependable engineering, the GR596 Golden Eagle offers a reliable mobility solution designed for everyday independence. Number 3. The Baja Raptor 2 4-wheel is a powerful outdoor mobility scooter designed for users who require exceptional performance, stability, and long-distance capability. Featuring a robust 4-wheel configuration, the scooter provides outstanding balance and traction across a variety of terrains, including paved roads, pathways, and uneven outdoor surfaces. Its high-performance motor delivers strong acceleration and reliable climbing ability, while advanced suspension components help ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. The spacious captain-style seat provides excellent support during extended journeys, enhancing overall comfort and convenience. Large wheels and durable construction contribute to impressive durability and confidence in challenging environments. With its combination of speed, range, comfort, and rugged capability, the Baja Raptor 2 is engineered for users seeking a premium outdoor mobility experience. Number 2. The Robooter Q40 is an intelligent mobility scooter engineered to deliver advanced mobility assistance while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Designed for users who value comfort and convenience, the scooter incorporates smart control systems that enhance maneuverability and overall usability. Its compact structure allows efficient navigation through indoor spaces, shopping centers, and crowded environments while remaining capable of handling outdoor pathways. Comfortable seating, responsive steering, and advanced safety features contribute to a confident riding experience. The scooter's durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while efficient battery performance supports extended travel between charging sessions. Intelligent technology integration enhances user interaction and operational simplicity. Combining modern styling, smart functionality, and dependable performance, the Robooter Q40 provides a versatile mobility solution for everyday transportation needs. Number 1. The XSTO M4 Pro is a modern mobility scooter designed to provide users with enhanced independence, comfort, and everyday convenience through advanced engineering and intelligent design. Built with a durable frame and powerful drive system, the scooter delivers smooth performance across a variety of urban and outdoor environments. Its ergonomic seating system ensures comfort during extended journeys, while the intuitive controls allow users to operate the vehicle with confidence and ease. Advanced suspension components help absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, improving ride quality and stability. The scooter features a compact yet practical design that balances maneuverability with durability, making it suitable for both indoor navigation and outdoor travel. High-capacity battery technology supports dependable range and reliable daily operation. Combining comfort, mobility, and innovative features, the XSTO M4 Pro offers a practical transportation solution for individuals seeking greater freedom and accessibility.